Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to Maths class. Last class we have discussed exercise 7.2 first 9 sum. Okay, in this section I am going to see about exercise 7.2 10th sum. This sum is applications of Poisson distribution. Okay, the question: the distribution of the number of road accidents per day in a city is Poisson with mean 4. Okay, the mean is given. Then find the number of days out of 100 days when there will be, the first question, no accident, second one, at least 2 accidents, and third question, at most 3 accident. Okay, the solution. Lambda is equal to 4. This is given. Okay, lambda is equal to 4. First question, so probability of no accident, that is probability of x is equal to 0. This is already known. Okay, what is the probability formula? P of x comma lambda equal to e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial. Okay, 0, x is a 0, 1, 2 and so on infinity. Okay, so substitute here P of x is equal to 0. Okay, then before start, find the lambda. This is the lambda value. Okay, substitute the value P of x is 0 and lambda is equal to 4, equal to e power minus 4. Lambda replace 4 and 4 power x is 0, 0 factorial, which is equal to e power minus 4. Using the calculator, we find out the answer. E power minus 4 equal to 0.0183, and 4 power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. This is equal to P of 0 comma 4 equal to 0.0183, because 1 into this value is same. Okay, this is the first question answer. Have you understood? Okay, then the second one, probability of at least 2 accidents. At least 2 accidents means P of x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, P of x greater than or equal to 2. The P of x greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus P of x less than 2. Okay, which is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 to x less than 2 means x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. That's all. Okay, then 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. Okay, e power minus lambda is 4, e power minus 4 divided by 4 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e power minus 4 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, this is your substitution. Then e power 4 is, the answer is 0.0183. Then 4 power 0 means 1 and 0 factorial 1. E power 4 answer is, minus 4 answer is 0.0183, and 4 power 1 means 4 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, so is equal to 1 minus e power minus 4 answer is 0.0183, and any number power 0, 4 power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. Okay, plus e power minus 4 0.0183 and 4 power 1, so 4 divided by 2 factorial, so 1 factorial. 1 factorial means 1. That's all. So it is equal to 1 minus, so 0.0183 plus 0.0183 into 4 equal to 0.0733. Okay, then sum of these two value is 0.0916, which is equal to -1, we get 0.9084. Okay, this is your answer. This is a P of the probability of at least 2. Okay, x greater than or equal to 2 answer. Then the third subdivision is the question P of probability of at most 3 accident. At most 3 accidents per day. This is your third subdivision. So at most 3 means P of x less than 3. Okay, at most 3 accident per day. At most less than or equal to 3. Okay, this is the at most means less than or equal to. At least means greater than or equal to. Okay, this is already known. So P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3. Okay, have you understood? Okay, P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equal to 1. Answer is this 0.0916, or once again you are applying the values. Okay, e power minus lambda, so 4 into 4 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e power minus 4 into 4 power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e power minus 4 into 4 power 2 divided by 2 factorial plus 0.4 to 4 power 3 divided by 3 factorial, okay, which is equal to, this is e power minus 4 is common for all the term taken outside. We get the remaining term 4 power 0 means 1, 0 back factorial is 1 plus 4 power 1 is 1 fourths of 4 divided by 1 factorial is 1 plus 4 power 2 means 4 multiplying 2 times we get 16, 4 fourths are 16, 2 factorial answer is 2 plus 4 power 3, 4 multiplying 3 times we get 64, 4 fourths are 16, 16 fourths are 64 divided by 3 factorial is 6. Okay, this is equal to e power minus 4 answer is 0.0183. This is already known. Then 1 by 1 is 1 plus 4 by 1 is 4 plus 16 by 2 is 8 plus 64 divided by 6 equal to 10.667. Okay, then 0.0183 into sum of all the answers plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 23.667. The product of these two value is 0.0183 into this value equal to 0.4331. This is your answer. This is a probability of at most 3 accidents in one day. Okay, this is the answer. Have you understood? Okay, that's all the 10th question. Okay, the 11th question, assuming that a fatal accident in a factory during the year is 1 by 1200, calculate the probability that in a factory employing 300 workers, there will be at least 2 fatal accidents in a year. Given e power minus 0.25 equal to 0.7788. Okay, this is your question. The solution, so here P is equal to, the possibility is equal to 1 divided by 1200, which is equal to, okay, this is the P value. Okay, so calculate the value 1 divided by 1200 equal to 0.0008 and N is equal to 300 because the number of workers is 300. Okay, So now we want to find the lambda. So NP, which is equal to N is 300 and P is equal to 0.0008. Value multiplying with 300, we get 0.25. Okay, this is the lambda value. So now we get the lambda. So question is the probability of at least 2 fatal accident in a year. Okay, at least at least 2 fatal accidents equal to probability of at least represent the greater than or equal to sign. X greater than or equal to 2. Okay, at least 2 fatal accidents means P of X greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so P of X greater than or equal to 2 equal to 1 minus P of X less than 2. Okay, so 1 minus P of less than 2 means P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1. So below 2 values means 0 and 1. Okay, so 1 minus P of X is equal to 0, substituting the form already known the Poisson distribution. P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1 now. So e power minus lambda, lambda is e power minus 0.25. This is the lambda value. Okay, into 0.25 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e power minus 0.25 into 0.25 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, that's all the substituting. Okay, 1 minus e power minus 2.05, sorry, e power minus 0.25 is the common for 2 term. So the remaining terms are, this number power 0 means 1 and 0 factorial 1 plus, so 0.25 power 1 means 0.25 divided by 1 factorial, answer is 1. So is equal to 1 minus 0. E power, find out the exponential value, e power minus 0.25 equal to 0.7788 are already given in your sum. Okay, this is already given your sum 0.7788. Okay, and 1 by 1 1 plus 0.25 is equal to 1 minus 0.7788. This is 1 plus 0.25 means 1.25. Okay, this value multiplying with 1.25, which is equal to 1 minus 0.9735. Okay, the product of these two values is this, and 1 minus the value equal to 0.0265. That's all your answer. This is probability of X greater than or equal to 2. That means answer of at least 2 fatal accidents in a year is 0.0265. Okay, this is your answer. That's all the 11th question. Have you understood? Okay, next 12th question. The average number of customers who appear in a counter of certain bank per minute is 2. So per minute is 2. Find the probability that during a given minute. The first question, no customer appears. And second question, 3 or more customers appear. Okay, the solution. Here, the average number of customers is given. The average number of customers who appear in the counter of the certain bank per minutes is 2. The average is given. Okay, that means lambda is equal to 2. Okay, then the general definition is probability of x comma lambda is equal to e power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial. Also x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on infinity. This is your general definition. Okay, so now lambda given. Then the first question, the probability of no customers customer appears. That means probability of 0. P of x is equal to 0. Yes. P of x is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to 2. 0 comma 2 is equal to e power minus lambda. So minus 2. 2 power 0 divided by 0 factorial, which is equal to e power minus 2 answer. Find out the value using by the calculator. E power minus 2 is equal to the answer 0.1353. Then 2 power 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. This is equal to 0.1353. This is your answer. This is the probability of 0 comma 2. So first subdivision answer. Okay. Then the second question, 3 or more customers appear. 3 or more, that means 3, least value is 3 and the greatest value is don't know given. Okay, 3 or more means greater at least 3. This is equivalent to at least 3 customers appear. Okay. The second question, probability of 3 or more customers appear. 3 or more customers appear. So is equal to probability of x greater than or equal to 3. Okay. This is equivalent to 1 minus p of x less than 3. Okay. P of x less than 3. This is equal to 1 minus less than 3 means p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2. Strictly less than, so up to 2 you want to take. Okay. Then substitute the value. 1 minus x is equal to 0. E power minus lambda. Lambda value is for this sum 2. So minus 2 and 2 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2. That means e power minus lambda. 2 power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e power minus 2 into 2 power 2 divided by 2 factorial, which is equal to 1 minus e power minus 2 is common for all the time. Then 2 power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial 1 plus 2 power 1 is 2. 1 factorial is also 1 plus 2 power 2 means 4. 2 to the 4 and 2 factorial is 2. Which is equal to 1 minus e power minus 2 answer 0.1353. So already we find out. Okay. Then 1 by 1 1 plus 2 by 1 2 plus 4 by 2 means 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2. 1 minus 0.1353 is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. So 5 multiplying within this number we get 0.6767. So subtracting these two value we get 0.3233. This is the probability of x greater than or equal to 3 answer. Okay, that's all the answer of 12th question. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page numbers 158 and 159, example 7.16, 7.17, 7.18, 7.19 and 7.20. The example 5 sums. Then the exercise 7.2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first 5 sums are definition. So already given the derivation of mean and variance of Poisson distribution and Poisson distribution definition and properties and everything. So this is also want to write. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.